Hi, sixth graders. Mrs. Curvers here again to explain how you can convert different kinds of measurements. You should have read that we have two different systems of measurement. We have the customary system that includes all of this information, and we have the metric system that's based on meters, liters, and grams. We're going to start today learning about the customary system. The customary system is what we typically use in the United States. There's a couple other small countries that use this, but not much. So we're a little different in that way. But these are going to be the measurements that you are used to hearing. So when we're looking at the problem, the football player ran 162 feet. How many yards is that? So we spent last week learning about proportions. We're going to use those to solve these problems. So I have feet and yards in the problem. So I need to go over to the chart and I can find right here. It says 1 yard is 3 feet. So I'm going to set up feet over yards. So that's 3 feet in every 1 yard. My problem has 162 feet, but I don't know how many yards that is yet. The next thing you're going to do, follow that cross products to find the answer. So multiply this direction. I have 3x. Go this way. 1 times 162 is 162. To solve this, you are going to divide by 3. And that is going to give you x is 54. That tells me an answer of 54 yards. On the next problem, again, we're going to use that proportion and cross products. My son drinks 1.5 gallons of milk every week. How many cups of milk is that? So I need to look over here in this chart. I see a gallon is 16 cups. Okay, set that up. Cups over gallons. 16 cups for every 1 gallon. And this problem has 1.5 gallons. And you can put decimal numbers in a proportion problem. Then cross products to solve. 16 times 15 is 24, and that equals 1 times x. That's 1x. So the answer is 24 equals x. 24, not gallons, 24 cups. One more. The average mass of a blue whale is 150 tons. How many pounds is that? Over here I see tons and pounds. So I have tons over pounds. I have 1 ton to 2,000 pounds. If a whale is 150 tons, how many pounds is that? Cross products. I have 1x equals 300,000. That means 300,000 pounds is going to be my answer. That's really large. Then we get to the metric system side of things. Metric system is very different. It's always going to be based on meters, liters, and grams. And if you're looking on the chart that you have, you can see that you're going to be moving back and forth based on these different things. So you decide where you're going to start, move that decimal point back and forth until you get to where you want to end. So here's the first problem. It says move your decimal point the same number of spaces that you jump on this line in the same direction. So here, 36 millimeters are right here. And we're trying to get to meters. Meters is going to be that base. So how many spaces do I need to jump? According to this directions, it says start at milli, jump 3 spaces. Okay, 1, 2, 3 to get to where I wanted to be. So same thing happens with that decimal point. 1, 2, 3 spaces. So the answer, 36 millimeters, is equal to 36,000th of a meter. This problem says my bottle of juice says it contains 750 milliliters. So I'm starting here at milliliters. How many liters is that? I want to stop here at liters. So we count the spaces, 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I take 750 and move 1, 2, 3 spaces. My answer, I'm going to put a 0 in the one spot, is 750 thousandths liters. One more problem. This time we're starting at kilograms and we're going to end at the base grams. So count the spaces. I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 spaces, but this time I am moving in the opposite direction. And that's not a problem. I still move 1, 2, 3. Oh, fill those holes with zeros. The decimal point is going to be right there. So now I have the answer, 4,300 grams. I hope this helped you with converting measurements. See you later.